Hello friends, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you convert a MS Word file to PDF. Yeah, this is very simple and very important setting in our MS Office. Yes, MS Word. So we are accessing that option, we are accessing that feature. So how can you get that feature, and what we have to do first to do this thing? Yes, while converting MS Word to PDF. So let's get started. So what we have to do first, you can see here we have a resume. This is in our MS Word. So this is in MS Word extension, that is .doc. Yeah, so we are going to convert into PDF. So what we have to do today, we are going to discuss that. First of all, we have to go on our file option. Here we have our file option. We will click here, and here we are many more options, and we will go through this option export, and here we have an option create PDF/XPS. So we will click here. We will going to click here. We will click here, and here we have. This is prompting us to how will you save it and where will you save it. So we are going to save it on our desktop and in PDF. Here this is giving us an option that is PDF, that is very important, and we are in need of this option. So this is, you can see here, yes, PDF. So this is very simple. So now we are going to save it on our desktop, publish, and we have already converted it. So this is prompting that resume plot.pdf already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, we are going to replace it. So we have replaced it successfully. So now minimize this window, and here we have resume plot. Double click on this, and you can see this is in PDF. And I want to tell you that if you don't have this option on file export option, because I am using a 2060 MS Office account. Yes, you can see here Microsoft Office Home and Student 2016. So if you don't have this option, export option, so what would you have to do? Then you have to go through online converting option. So we are going to do that. We will open a browser on Google Chrome. So we will search here get Lua, get Lua, yes, get Lua. Get Lua, and hit search, and it will show you that first option, Lua PDF converter, getlua.com, and you will go through this website and click on it. And here we have many more options. There are a lot of options to converting all extension to other extension. Here you can export or convert JPG to PDF, merge PDF, Word to PDF. What we have earlier done, this is mean Word to PDF. Yes, and we have also option that is Excel to PDF and PP to PDF. These are most important options here. So you can go through this software and go through this website, and if you want to convert your MS Word file to PDF, you will click here, and you will choose a file, and here you choose. I will choose this resume plot, and click. This is converting. Yeah, Yes, your Word file has been converted to a PDF file. Now you can download here. So we are going to download here, and this is in 115 KB, and this is downloaded. Finally, we are going to open this, and you can see here PDF file. So this is very simple, and this was very knowledgeable video. If you like this video, so please click subscribe, hit like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Welcome.